Last week, 5th grade students took off on their rocket science careers.
Students were tasked with designing a straw rocket that they thought would go the furthest. They had clay and one sheet of paper and their straw, and they flew the rockets on an initial test flight, and then they had 1 week to kind of think about what went well and what changes they might do to improve the distance that their rockets flew.
Why did you get more?
Because I took off weight.
Okay, lighter so it flies better. Nice job. Did you change, Abby?
I added less clay. I put more tape on the nose because it was loose.
Even though it was easy for the students to focus on their performance, both good and bad, the learning experience was most important.
The kids learned that more isn't always better.
We learned that if you make too many modifications, you won't know what changed it, and if you make less, then you will know, and you can go back to your original plan if it doesn't work out.
And throughout the experiment, they all had each other's backs. And that's what it's all about. Ben Murray-Cirulli, VMA News.